Confident na ang walk ng baby girl ko. Napansin ko nga kasi lately na parang nabibigatan si Rain sa shoes niya. And that's why we're here at Dr. Kong, Greenbelt 5, 3rd floor. By the way, they have ongoing promo, buy one, get 50% on your second pair. Dr. Kong offers a free foot assessment wherein dito nga natin malalaman if merong problem sa feet or sa foot ng kids natin even with us. So bago tayo pumili ng shoes, kailangan i-check muna yung feet niya. So ito yung machine nila to identify kung ano nga
Sa
ba ang
right side
problem
po is
ng
under siya ng
meron sa
severe
feet
heel
nila.
valgus. And sa left side is under siya ng moderate heel valgus. So, continuous wearing a hard heel counter, ma'am, para
So
makorek
require
ang
nga
inyong
si
heel
Rain
bone
to
alignment.
continuous wear a hard heel counter para makorek yung alignment ng paa niya. So Dr. Kong shoes has it. O 'di ba? Kaya yung bigat ng shoes na akala ko yun. Hindi pala, it's more than that. At meron pala siyang heel valgus na need
Yes.
i-correct as early as now. And dahil madalas din siyang naka-rubber shoes, especially pag PE day sa school. We are so excited for her new pair. So, Wammies, visit your nearest Dr. Kong store. Choosing a right shoes and a right fit, that's very important. So, have your kids' feet or foot checked now.